here's how to sound beautiful on the piano using only 3 chords. So you're going to be playing B flat and F. Then you're going to play D and A. Then you're going to play C and G, and that's all your left hand has to do. Now with our right hand, we're going to explore with only 5 notes. We're going to be playing D, F, G, A, C. A, G, F. So if you just put your hand in that shape, you're golden. So let's try that playing the D chord underneath. So pretty, do it again. Make sure you use your pedal. Okay, so you're gonna spend some time with that and then maybe flip it around. Start on the top. The magic of this little scale pattern we're playing is that it allows us to isolate any notes. They're going to sound really good together. So for example, what you could do is just pick 2 notes. So if we've got this, maybe we'll do. We can be interested in how that sounds. And then you can pick any other 2. This time I'm going to do D and A. Might be my favorite so far. It sounds really good when you bring that down to the G. So this time let's try F and C. It's also beautiful. Okay, let's try 3 notes this time. Rocking back and forth on 3 notes. Let's try A, G, and D. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you see how you could pick any combination of notes and play them, and it's going to sound stunning. This is how you'll fool people into thinking you've composed a song or that you've been playing piano your whole life. Now, one of my favorite things to do with this concept is actually trying to play more than 1 note at a time. So with these ingredients, play them all together. Sounds beautiful. Switch chords. Also beautiful. Switch chords. So beautiful. Now you could just pick a few of them. Again, this is literally a position that you can key mash in and good things will happen. Pick any of the notes you like and play them in conjunction, play them together. Experiment with sounds that you like and then mix and match. So we've really only just scratched the surface of what's possible with all of this. So if you have ideas about what kind of theory is going on here, start a conversation below this video and comment what you think we were doing. I'll give you a little hint. It has to do with the key of D minor. I would love to see what you come up with. So record your improvising with this or your creation, your composition, share it below this video, and happy practicing.